Introduction to the Uniform Appraisal Dataset, Chapter 3, Uniform Appraisal Dataset, Appendix D, page 34, Quality of Construction. For all UAD form types, the quality of construction for the subject and comparables must be entered. Similar to condition rating, quality is rated on a scale of Q1 best to Q6 worst. The definition for each quality rating appears in Appendix D and is reproduced below. Q1. Dwellings with this quality rating are usually unique structures that are individually designed by an architect for a specified user. Such residences typically are constructed from detailed architectural plans and specifications that feature an exceptionally high level of workmanship and exceptionally high grade materials throughout the interior and exterior of the structure. The design features exceptionally high quality exterior refinements and ornamentation and exceptionally high interior refinements. The workmanship, materials, and finishes throughout the dwelling are of exceptionally high quality. Q2. Dwellings with this quality rating are often custom designed for construction of an individual property owner's site. However, the dwellings in this quality grade are also found in high-quality tract developments featuring residences constructed from individual plans or from highly modified or upgraded plans. The design features detailed, high-quality exterior ornamentation, high-quality interior refinements, and detail. The workmanship, materials, and finishes throughout the dwelling are generally of high or very high quality. Q3. Dwellings with this quality rating are residences of higher quality built from individual or readily available designer plans in above standard residential tract developments or on an individual property owner's site. The design includes significant exterior ornamentation and interiors that are well finished. The workmanship exceeds acceptable standards, and many materials and finishes throughout the dwelling have been upgraded from stock standards. Q4. Dwellings with this quality rating meet or exceed the requirements of applicable building codes. Standard or modified standard building plans are utilized, and the design includes adequate fenestration and some exterior ornamentation and interior refinements. Materials, workmanship, finish, and equipment are of stock or builder grade and may feature some upgrades. Q5. Dwellings with this quality rating feature economy of construction and basic functionality as main considerations. Such dwellings feature a plain design using readily available or basic floor plans featuring minimal fenestration and basic finishes with minimal exterior ornamentation and limited interior detail. These dwellings meet minimum building codes and are constructed with inexpensive stock materials with limited refinements and upgrades. Q6. Dwellings with this quality range are of basic quality and lower cost. Some may not be suitable for year-round occupancy. Such dwellings are often built with simple plans or without plans, often utilizing the lowest quality building materials. Such dwellings are often built or expanded by persons who are professionally unskilled or possess only minimal construction skills. Electrical, plumbing, and other mechanical systems and equipment may be minimal or non-existent. Older dwellings may feature one or more standard or non-conforming additions to the original structure. It is important to note that the UAD quality ratings define an absolute, not a comparative, level of quality, meaning that the rating of the subject and the comparable sales is not determined by comparing the comparable sales quality to the subject, but by determining the rating based solely on the definition. It is very possible for the appraiser to use the same UAD quality rating for the subject and a comparable sale, but it still warrants a quality adjustment because there is a widespread range of quality within a rating. According to the GSEs, the quality ratings in the UAD were developed independently and are proprietary to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have designed the condition and quality ratings to eliminate the ambiguity within existing appraisal reports around the key fields. So in other words, these quality ratings are not consistent with the quality ratings found in published cost manuals such as Marshall and Swift, and at page 79%. Page 35, design. Design style. In November 2013, the UAD specifications were revised to instruct the appraiser to provide specific information for the subject property and comparables in the sales comparison grid regarding design/style. These are instructions, not requirements. The appraiser should describe the architectural design for each comparable property. In addition, they should provide the attachment type and the number of stories. For attachment type, the appraiser is asked to select one value from the specified list below. There's abbreviated entry, AT. Attachment type, attached structure, used for row and townhomes that share multiple communal walls. Abbreviated entry, DT. Attachment type, detached structure. Does not share any communal walls, floor, or ceiling with another property. Abbreviated entry, SD. Attachment type, semi-detached structure. Use for in-unit row and townhomes as well as duplexes. Then the appraiser is instructed to enter a number of stories up to 2 decimal places. For instance, 1.00, 1.50, etc. Finally, the appraiser is instructed to enter a brief description of style for the subject property. For instance, Cape Cod, Colonial, etc. The software program will format these 3 items with semicolons between them. For instance, DT 1.5 Cape Cod or AT2 INT TWN HSE into page 81%.